there are a lot of issues. I know that housing is a big issue for all of our community as well as our Māori community. But the issues look a little different. So for the full community, it's access to housing. For our Māori community, a lot of the time here, it's enabling infrastructure into our whenua so that we can build. So at the moment, what I know in Tauranga is that a lot of the Māori land that's available doesn't have pipes, infrastructure running to it. And that is a key to enabling us to be able to build on our land. The biggest thing I think I bring is I'm connected, I'm grounded, and I'm active. Like, you know, this is my marae. I'm here all of the time when I need to be here. And I have that's how I live. So I think the key for me, the key to what I bring here is that relationship, is the connection to our people. Not only the people from here, but all of our Māori people, one way or another. My intention is just the same, is just to increase the number of Māori around the decision-making table.